Hello everybody. Today we'll be seeing five Java programs, five basic Java programs. Uh, One is a conversion of a decimal to a binary format, a program for that to binary format. And the next is uh, a basic if statement program. So it is just to check the conditions, and we have to check whether a number is palindrome or not. And then the fourth one is a simple calculator, and fifth is a palindromic tree or a triangle. So we're going to start with the first one, that is conversion of a number to its binary format. So here we have the scanner class for taking input. It is in package exeno1, and then in our main function we have created a scanner object sc and a string variable that is to display the reverse of the string. We are storing the values which are divided by 2 into that particular string. So here we take the input from the user through the scanner object sc, and then we have a while loop. While loop runs till n equals 0, and when n equals 0 it breaks. Inside it we are taking the remainder of n with 2, and we are dividing n by 2. Since decimal is a base of 2, or that is zeros and ones, we are dividing it with 2 and getting the remainder for it also. And here we are appending the remainder to the string, and we are displaying it in a reverse order. Okay, now let's run this program and see. Run file, enter the number to be converted. Say I give 5, it is 101. Let's give a different number because 101 is a palindromic number, so we make it confused. So let's give 6, it's 110. This is the binary form of 6. And then we'll go with the next program. Next one is to check whether a number is palindrome or not. A palindrome is a number which, when we reverse it or read from left to right or right to left, it means same. So for a number we can say that, say 123, 321 is a palindrome, whereas 123 is not a palindrome. So here we input a number through the scanner class object sc, and we are trying to reverse it. For that we need to do the same thing what we have done there, but we have, while taking the ones place, we have to store it in s, and later when on the next iteration that would be converted to tens place and then shifted to the left. So actually it is a left shift for base 10. So in that order we are trying to get a reverse of it. So if 123 is a number, first we will obtain 3, and then s would be initially 0, so that 3 would be added, and then 123 would be divided by 10. Since it's integer division, the last number would go and we would get 1 2. In the next iteration we will get 2sr, and the previous 3 would be multiplied by 10 and it becomes 30. 30 plus 4, 34. And similarly when this continues we'll get 321, that is the reverse of 123. Since we want to compare whether the first term and the reverse term are equal, we are creating a copy of the input value, that is a copy of n is kept in t, and we does the reverse operation for t. So the reversed value is obtained in the variable s, as we have seen. S is compared with n. If they are same or equal, it is a palindrome, else it is not. Let's run this and see. Give a number 121, it is a palindrome. Now let's give some random number, say 1 2 3. It is not a palindrome. This is it. And the third program is a basic program. So for understanding this, we need to see some conditions as per the question. See, this is the question. For a given integer n, if it is odd, we need to print its weird. If it's even and inclusive in the range of 2 to 5, not weird. If it's even and in the range of 6 to 20, it's weird. If it is an even and greater than 20, then it's not weird. So we're gonna take one case, that is whether either weird or not weird. We are taking it as weird. So the condition for weird are n should be an odd number, and also it prints weird if n is an even and between 6 and 20. So here our conditions are: if n is an odd number, that is n modulus 2 equal 1, or we check whether n is an even and in range of 6 to 20, that is inclusive of 6 and 20. And then we try to print then we print its weird. If the condition is not as per the given statement, then obviously it should be not weird. So let's run this. So it says that if it is an odd, then it's weird. We are giving an odd number, say 5, it shows weird. And then let's say we are giving an even number and not a even number between 6 and 20. So let's say it's 4. So it's not weird. So this is a simple program for if statements. I combined the if multiple if statement to a single line using logical operators and all combinations like and all those stuffs. Now let's see what a simple calculator works or how it is. Here for a single calculator we have input several operations or operators like plus, uh, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. So it should be an integer, no floating points. So we have an area for inputting two numbers to n and l, and then we choose the operator which we want, either plus, minus, division, modulus or multiplication, and then we check the operator which we got is plus or minus or multiplication, division or modulus using a switch case, and print the appropriate result in a sout statement. Let's run this. Okay, enter a number 5, enter another number 6, enter the operator, and let me give multiplication. Yes, 5 and 6 multiplied gives 30. This is it. It works for all the cases. As you can see, there is a slight variation, so there is no much error in it. And now this is a complicated one. This is a palindromic triangle. So for this we can see how it is done. Yeah, this is the question number 3. A palindromic triangle, it goes in this fashion: a b a b c b a. So every line is a palindrome. So, and you can see it is 1 3 5. It goes in order of odd numbers. So here we have to see how many lines and the number of lines, and for each number we are traversing from 0 to 1 plus I, that is the number size. So if it is first line, it will go up to 0 plus 1, that is 1. So only input would be A. So we'll get A, and then from there we are trying to move back where we are reaching through the first for loop, that is the value what we get through J. From there we are trying to traverse back and reach the initial point. So what we get is basically a palindrome. And this j minus minus, as you can see here, for every line we start a b. Now we don't want to print b again, so we take the j one step back and print the next a. So if it is here, we can see we don't want to print c again, so one step back, so b would be printed and then again a would be printed. So the first for loop is to move forward till the mid you can see the mid value, and then we are stepping one step back and then printing till the start. So the second for loop is for uh, moving reverse. Let's run this program and check. Let me give five lines, and here's the code. A B C B A. You can see every line is a palindrome, and this is it. Thank you.